Structural Engineering Raleigh, Bennett Pless.
Structural engineering services in Raleigh, North Carolina.
When it comes to structural engineering, you want to ensure that whatever you build will stand the test of time. Sometimes, something goes wrong during construction with the structural integrity, and you must tear down and rebuild an entire structure. The structural engineering industry is booming, and Bennett Pless is leading the way. With over 50 years of combined experience in the field, we've built a reputation for excellence in design and construction. That's why our structural design engineers are proud to say that we have a long track record of success, with core values in helping our clients avoid these situations. We understand that every building is different, so we tailor each project to meet our clients' specific needs. After partnering with LHC structural engineers, we can leverage their expertise in designing the most efficient and effective solutions for your project with our engineering design principles. This means you can rest assured that your project will not only withstand any potential future threats, but also save you money. With us by your side, you'll never need to worry about whether your next project will succeed with our affordable engineering solutions. We are here to help with our design engineering team. We understand that sometimes you may not need a structural engineer, but you still feel like you should have one. We offer various structural engineering services, including structural analysis, building code compliance, and construction management. No matter what type of structural engineering you need, we can help with engineering specifications. Our project team is committed to providing high-quality, affordable solutions for your project. We'll work closely throughout the process to ensure you get exactly what your vision calls for. Please call 919-832-5587 or click the link in the description to get started. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more structural engineering related videos.